this is my vlogging kit that I just received, and I'm gonna open it up. So my YouTube channel has been two of my YouTube channels have been monetized, so I decided to order this stuff so that I can do a lot of YouTube stuff. So let us see what's on here. Okay, so to start off with, there's nothing here. Okay, so to start off with, there's this gadget. So this gadget is a pen. Okay, it's called a stylus pen. Okay, this one is used to write on a computer screen. Okay, so when you see me writing all those lessons on a computer screen, this is what I'll be using. It's quite handy and it's very nice, as you can see. So let me take it back in. So what else do I have here? Let's see. I put quite a lot of things here. Let's see how I'm gonna open this. So to all my friends who are YouTubers in Zimbabwe, yeah, you gotta do a little bit of investment into your business. So this is what I've just done. Let me see. I hope I won't cut the stuff that's inside. So again, these are, let me just open one of these. So these are microphones, condenser microphones. Okay, when I'm actually doing an interview with someone, this is what I use. I got a couple of those. Okay, and let's see what's in. Okay. Wow, these guys, the way they pack this stuff, they really pack it up. Let's see, how do you open this? Okay, and then these are tripod stands. Okay, these are tripod stands. Let's see. Okay. Amazing stuff. Okay, so this is a tripod stand. Yeah, something that I'm going to be using for basically when I'm traveling, and yeah, it's quite handy. So actually, there's a couple more here, and let's see what these guys, they will pick. And now, these are condenser microphones. Okay, this is good for when I'm actually home and doing my stuff. So that's that. And these are the cables. Okay. This is what I can actually put there, and then I can be cooking, and then some other cool stuff here. Now probably this is gonna fit here somewhere there. Yeah, something like that. And then this also comes with a stand, I suppose, and some other stuff here. And this must be a jack, I guess. Yeah, let me see if I can open this. I'm so excited. So yeah, this is like cool stuff there. Okay, and then I actually got two of those. So probably if you want one, just get in touch with me. And then I'm gonna open the last big box, okay, and show you what's in there. So the last big box, let's see what's in here. Wow, there's nothing. Okay. Okay, so these are lights. Okay, as you can see, the circle there. I'm gonna open them up. Okay, so these are lights when I'm actually doing my videos. I don't know what is this stuff that is actually dropped down. So probably this actually comes here, here, and then I can actually put myself on right there. And same stuff. I bought a couple of these. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of those. Okay. And the plastics is nothing. Maybe there's something small. I'm not sure what this is. Not sure what this is. I think these are accessories. Okay. For the stuff. And then I'm sure these are the stands. So these are the stands for the lights. Okay. So that the lights can stand on their own. Yeah. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the stuff for my blogging, and it is arrived. I'm actually really excited, and I'm going to be ordering more stuff for my YouTube channel. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. This means you're going to be seeing more of my face. Thank you.